Vietnam is one of the most biologically diverse areas on the planet. Home to 16% of the world's flora and fauna species, the country has an equally diverse landscape of mountain ranges, tropical rainforests, mangroves, dry forests, coasts, oceans, rivers, and lakes. Its landscapes have been identified as part of the 200 global ecoregions, the world's most biologically important areas to conserve for future generations. Hundreds of species of plants and animals that are new to science have been discovered in Vietnam during the last 3 decades, and more are recorded each year. These rich natural resources support the livelihood and diverse well-being of millions of people, not only in Vietnam, but for all of Southeast Asia. But as the country is the fastest growing economy in the region, the impacts on natural systems are steadily increasing, and the nation is experiencing degradation of the very fabric of its natural heritage. Wildlife populations are under extreme pressure from snaring for illegal wildlife trade and as a source of protein in rural communities. Forests are heavily degraded outside protected areas, and marine systems are heavily impacted by pollution and reef decline. Responding to these emerging threats over the past decades, Vietnam has made great efforts and achieved remarkable results. 42% of the forest coverage rate, 176 sites of terrestrial nature reserves, 10 marine protected areas, 4 wetland conservation zones, 1 billion tree initiative, coastal mangrove forest protection and plantation for climate change adaptation, marine plastic debris management plan. Conservation efforts are also carried out through initiatives by communities, NGOs, and businesses. Vietnam also shows its strong commitment to halting the loss of its natural treasures through some crucial initiatives and international agreements. The National Strategy on Biodiversity for 2020 to 2030 with a vision to 2050. The National Green Growth Strategy for 2030 with a vision to 2050. The Leaders' Pledge for Nature. The Sustainable Development Strategy. The National Green Growth Development for 2030 with the vision to 2050. We are grateful for the public and private sector partners that support Vietnam's biodiversity conservation efforts. As we raise our ambitions, we invite you to join us. Only through international cooperation can we succeed in securing a nature-positive future that will sustain humans and the species we share this precious planet with.